In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find anyone's email address on LinkedIn. Let's jump right in and explore the steps to access this important information. While the process isn't guaranteed to yield results every time, it's certainly worth a try. To begin, head over to linkedin.com. This platform is a hub for professional networking, so it's the perfect starting point for our search. Once you're on their homepage, you'll need to sign in. If it's convenient, you can do this using your Google or Microsoft account. Alternatively, feel free to use your existing LinkedIn email and password. In case you've set up two-factor authentication, a smart security measure, LinkedIn will prompt you to verify your identity by sending a code to your phone. Simply enter that code to continue. Now, locate the LinkedIn profile of the individual whose email address you're hoping to discover. Navigate directly to their profile page, as this is your primary contact point. This is where you'll gather the majority of your information. Once you're on their profile, look for a contact info button or section. Usually, you'll find this under the person's name or somewhere near the top of their profile. Clicking this will expand a section revealing the contact details they have chosen to share. If the person has decided to make their email address available on LinkedIn, it will appear here, ready for you to view. However, bear in mind that this method depends on the individual opting to share their email publicly. Many folks prefer to keep such information private, so there's always a possibility it won't be visible. A useful hint: check if you're a first-degree connection with this person. If you are, you might have access to more detailed contact information because you're within their network. Visit their profile once more and head to the same contact info area to see if their email address is listed there. Again, their privacy settings will dictate what's available. Remember, LinkedIn is committed to respecting user privacy, so not every user will have opted to make their email visible to others. If you're unable to locate an email address, consider sending a polite direct message through LinkedIn. Introduce yourself and gently request their email address if necessary. And there you have it, the essential steps for finding an email address on LinkedIn. Whether you're reaching out for networking, potential collaboration, or other professional purposes, LinkedIn can serve as a powerful tool. But always be sure to respect privacy and use any information you find with care.